So in my case, I had a budget of around £50 million. In my original call for proposals, I said, the maximum for any individual project was 20 million. Actually, I'm not planning to make any such large awards. I've probably made more smaller awards than, fewer larger ones. The other thing about my program is extremely collaborative. So a lot of the creators, as we call them, the people who are actually going to be doing the research, are, even if they applied separately, going to work with each other. And that's something that I certainly feel very positive about, but I was struck by what an appetite there was from the community for that. And I think that's one of the things that attracts me about ARIA, the idea of sort of synergy and, the whole being more of the sum of the parts, because you can work together collectively on this common goal. And the co-design area that I mentioned, where you're trying to co-optimize the design of a body and also the control, that's a great area where I have a whole bunch of different creators bringing particular skills in areas like probabilistic programming or closing a sim-to-real gap or Bayesian optimization or the nitty-gritty of actually building robot hardware. So they're all coming together with these different lenses and perspectives. And I think that's going to be super helpful.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, that's really cool. When you're saying that they work together, are they working together inside of your program or across the whole ARIA program? Is it like... go ahead.
It's within a program. So they're working together with.
So maybe like sharing code, sharing resources, sharing know-how, all towards the advancement of all the goals that you are. Okay, exactly. I like that a lot.
I like that. I should say it's not mandatory. So there are some creators within the program who, maybe they're a company and they don't want to share anything because of their, commercialization goals. That's fine too. But I'm happy that there are many creators who are very open about sharing code, sharing ideas, sharing approaches.
Oh, yeah. I mean, especially, I think when you go deal with problems that are as hard as these, there ends up being a lot of boilerplate. Like there ends up being a lot of things that are undifferentiated and don't allow you to test your idea, or like they're just necessary steps on the way there, and like might as well share all those.
100%.
So you have companies and research labs, or like who are the people that are applying for some chunk of your £50 million?
Yeah, all of the above. So we're very open as to who we fund. Big companies, small companies, academic research labs, even individuals.
Wow.
Everyone's eligible. We can also fund outside the UK if we think that'll benefit a programme. So, yeah, and in my case as well. I don't think I've actually ended up selecting any individuals to be funded as part of the programme, but apart from that, pretty much every other type of entity.